Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NPA channel. Some Fuki and if you're new to the channel, you are welcome. Alright, so today on engineering maths, we're still working on numbers, and what we are going to be doing is we are going to apply what we have learned in our previous video on simple problems like this. So let's apply our understanding in the previous video to these simple problems. Alright, so the first one there says, okay, for A, we have 9 plus in bracket minus 3. So how do we simply solve that? Now you have this as, of course, 9. Remember the rule says you don't want to expose two signs, so you can see a negative sign in bracket. Now, when we have plus times minus from what we did in our previous video, since the two signs are not the same, we are going to have what? Minus. So plus times minus is minus, okay? All right, so we have 3. So these two signs become one sign, okay? So we have 9 minus 3, which we have as what? 6. So the first answer to our problem is what? 6. What about the second question? We have 8 minus and minus 6 in brackets. So all we need to do is we bring down the 8, okay? Now minus times minus, since the two signs are the same based on our rules in our previous video, it becomes what? Plus. Okay, so we have 8 plus 6. And 8 plus 6 will simply give us what? We have 8, so we are going to move 6 places, right? So let's see what it gives us. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. So our answer to this is what? 14. Okay? That is how to do your simple addition. When you're adding, you're increasing, you're moving forward. Okay? And when you're subtracting, you're going backward. Alright, so let's look at the next one. Now for the next one, we have minus 3 in bracket plus what? Minus 8 in bracket. How do we solve that? Now this is minus 3, okay? So we have plus times minus, just like this case, it will also be what? Minus 8. Now next we have minus 3 minus what? 8. Okay, so how do we go about solving this? Alright, let's use our number line. This is what we have. Let's see, we're starting from minus 3, 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9, minus 10, minus 11, minus 12. So all we are doing is we are moving what? Backward, all right? So first I want to identify our minus 3. Okay, this is minus 3 here, okay? Since we are doing subtraction, we are moving backwards. We are moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times, okay? So minus means you're moving backward and 8 times. So we landed at minus 11. So minus 11 gives us the answer to this problem. Now for the last one, let's look at it. We have minus 15 minus 7. How do we go about solving this? It's very simple. I want to bring down my minus 15. Now minus times minus, just like in this case, is going to be what? Plus. Okay? Now that we have plus what? 7. Now we can use our number line to get our answer to this problem. So all we need to do is we extend this, so we have minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, and minus what? 15. All right? So from minus 15, we want to positive. Plus means we are moving to the right. So first we want to identify minus 15, which is this, and we want to count to the right, plus 7. So let's move to the right 7 times. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we stop at minus 8. So our answer to this is what? Minus 8. So that gives us the simple solutions. Once more, let's look at problems that also have to do with what? Multiplication and division in this one video. Alright, so the first problem we have is minus 7 times 3. So how do we go about doing that? All right, so the idea is 3, okay, here is what still plus 3, all right? So in terms of signs, we're dealing with minus times what plus, okay? And minus times plus, the signs are not the same, all right? So once the signs are not the same, we are still going to have minus in the answer, okay? Just like we learned in the previous video. So next thing we want to multiply the number 7 times 3 is what? 21. So this gives us the answer for the first problem. Now we have 12 divided minus 6 in brackets. Now we can write it like this. So we have 12 divided what? Minus 6. Okay. Now, what about the 12? What sign does the 12 have? 12 simply means what? Plus 12. Okay. So first we want to divide the signs. Plus divide minus is going to be what? Minus, since the signs are not the same. And 12 divided 6 is what? Is 2 times. Okay. So the answer to our second problem is what? Minus 2. Now for the third question, we have minus 4 times in bracket minus 6. The first thing you want to do is you want to multiply the signs. So minus times minus, since the signs are the same, it is going to be what? Plus. Now the next thing is we have 4 times 6. 4 times 6 is going to give us what? 24. Now plus 24, you want to also write it this way. Okay? Plus 24 also means 24. So that gives us the answer to the third question. Now let's look at the fourth question. Now minus 21, you want to write it this way. Divide, okay, minus what? 7. Okay. Now the first thing is you want to divide the signs. Minus divided minus is going to give us what? Plus. Now 21 divided by 7 is going to give us 3 times. So plus 3 also means 3. So that gives us the solution to the C. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video, okay, on the applications of what we have done in our previous work lesson. And do well to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also share this link of this YouTube channel to some students or even the family member that needs to improve his or her skill. I'll see you guys in my next video. You take care. Bye.